If you're looking for a natural way to tone your body with no equipment because we're all on budget to buy them, then squats are one of the best ways to strengthen our lower body, our glutes and quadriceps to get that natural-looking Kim K booty. Squats can be executed by everyone, but they are harder than they look. One way to know when you're doing it correctly is you don't have to use thrust or lean forward to stand up from the bottom position of the squat. But always remember to keep that butt back when squatting. Check the description for our expert advice and recommendation. It's going to be helpful. Squats have a long list of health benefits such as: Benefits number 1. Squats help build muscle. Basic everyday activities like spinning, bending, and even standing may be made much easier if you have strong core muscles. This is a lifesaver, especially if you're lazy like me. You may feel very weary after only a few squats, since this exercise utilizes most of our lower body's muscles. In a squat, your lower muscles are targeted, including gluteus maximus, minimus, and medius quadriceps, hamstrings, adductor hip flexors, and calves. The squat builds up our core muscles as well, like the rectus abdominis, obliques, transverse abdominis, and erector spinae. If you wish to strengthen the muscles in your shoulders, arms, chest, and back, a back or an overhead squat would be the perfect exercise for this. Benefits number 2. Squats burn calories fast. Summer is fast approaching and you're probably finding a natural way to burn excess fat. Well, I got great news for you. Squats are an excellent way to efficiently burn your excess fat. Because squats can help you build your muscles, you'll be quicker to burn calories, helping you to obtain your dream summer body faster. For example, a 155-pound individual may burn at least around 223 calories undertaking 30 minutes of strenuous strength or weight training activities like squats, according to Harvard Medical School. Benefits number 3. Squats help improve flexibility. Any well-rounded exercise regimen should include flexibility workouts. Because our muscles, tendons, and ligaments become less elastic as we age, which is unfortunately inevitable, it's a good idea to do everything we can to slow this down. Squatting on a daily basis can help you become a step closer to being as flexible as a gymnast, since it involves you to bend and stretch your leg muscles. Benefits number 4. Reduces the risk for injury. Athletes all know they need to exhibit mobility, great form, posture, and balance if they want to do well on the field. They can do this by developing muscles in their lower body, which squats provide. According to the American Council on Exercise, squats help strengthen your tendons, bones, and ligaments, which greatly reduces your chance of injury. To avoid injury at all costs, keep in mind that proper technique is important when completing any exercise, including squats. Squatting is a massive amount of activity that improves our general strength, which is beneficial for both younger and older adults with low bone density. As an outcome, the strengthening will help avoid injuries. Benefits number 5. Squats strengthen. Fun fact: there are lumps of muscles found in your lower body that are your biggest and strongest ones, which is fortunately the primary target of squatting. Squats and other strength training exercises can help tone and strengthen your lower body muscles. You may realize that you can move about more freely with less pain, and that everything from walking to bending to exercising gets easier when these muscles are in good health. All of these changes will make daily chores like getting up from a seated posture and lifting good simpler, which is especially crucial for later in life. Squats are also beneficial for cardio and lower body sports. You'll be able to move and play for longer lengths of time thanks to them. The list of benefits continues on and on, demonstrating that squats are a great workout to undertake on a daily basis. For many years, those who include squats in their workout have had positive results. This is your sign to begin adding squats into your daily workout routine right away to get that bubble butt. Thanks for watching.